Okay, this has been some interesting times for the franchise as of late that may leave some questions here. Now, on the off chance you have not heard, Saint Seiya Classic has both a new dub and a new sub. And while I can't confirm why, I can confirm who. Twitter user and Japanese to English translator Zoid9000. This person is apparently responsible for both the sub and dub. Many theorize how Toei would handle the series in the US, given there are no complete subs in good quality and the dubs stop in the Sanctuary arc. Now the episodes currently stop at episode 41. Fans theorize it was due to Knights of the Zodiac and will be timed around that show, which could still be true. What is also possible is more time is simply needed for translating and dubbing. Toei simply says wait for updates soon, and Zoid says wait as well. So yes, more is coming. But right now, the most important thing for everyone watching this is to tell your friends online to watch Saint Seiya on Netflix and give it a thumbs up to support the franchise. My next video on this will likely be a review on the new dub. So stay tuned, promote this series, and please remember to like and subscribe.